What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, checking me out, trying the recipes. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. Freestyle cooking with Streets. We get it in here. Dope recipes. I'm telling you, you love it. Come through, check us out, stay with us. Let's do it. Alright, so today, y'all, we're doing another real easy recipe. I decided to do this recipe because lately food has been high, as you all know. You go out there on your regular shopping haul, market haul, food is high, meat is high, I mean everything is high. Pasta is high, it's hot. So for those that's trying to cut back, save a couple of dollars, I figured I'd start to do a few budget friendly recipes. Even though most of the recipes I do is pretty much affordable, I try to stay in that lane. Sometimes protein can be pricey depending on the dish, but I figure I'll start sharing some real quick, easy, weeknight, budget-friendly meals. Alright, so today we're going to do what I will call like my reverse shepherd's pie. Okay, it's not shepherd pie, but it's similar to how shepherd pie is done. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're going to do it reverse style, street style, freestyle cooking style. Okay, so I got on board, got me some ground beef crumbles. Alright, just about a pound of ground beef. And my market sells these in crumbles with the onions and everything, where it just takes a few minutes. And I like to buy these all the time when I want to cook anything quick with ground beef, like tacos, something like that. And I don't have, because ground beef has been pricey. So I got this for about $4. It's a pound, already ready to go. Takes a few minutes, but round a pound of ground beef is what you want to use. Also, I diced me up a carrot. I diced me up about 4 garlic cloves, about half an onion. Got me some celery over there, a couple of stalks. Got some mushrooms. And I also diced up some red pepper. So this is just something that's going to get us started. And we're going to make a crazy dish out of this. Let's do it. Okay. And you also want to cut up about 4 potatoes, because we're going to mash some potatoes, y'all. All right. As you can see, I got mine in a bowl of water. Okay. Get your pot on the stove. Fill it up with water. We'll get these to a boil in a minute. All right. Next thing you want to do now, you want to get your skillet out. Okay. Got about a couple tablespoons of olive oil in here. All right. Get your skillet nice and hot. Then you want to go ahead and add the carrots and celery. All right. Okay. And give this a little saute for about I would say about a minute. Alright, after a minute, I want to go ahead and add my diced red bell pepper. Get that incorporated in. Alright, and I got this on a medium-high heat, if you want to know, like a medium-high. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. Kind of like a mirepoix going on right now. Mirepoix, a little good base for like soups and stews, sauces. You actually can buy like mirepoix in the store already chopped up, celery, onions, and carrots. Alright. Now I want to go ahead and drop in my garlic. Just get that incorporated so I can smell I just love the smell of vegetables, man, sauteing. I love it. Alright, another 30 seconds. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my crumbles. And you're basically going to go ahead and, cook this up until, the meat's basically no longer pink. It only should take a few minutes. Alright, now that we got it all brown, it's smelling good, it's coming together real nice. Now we're gonna add I got some tomato sauce here. Because I don't have no tomato paste, but tomato sauce is a good substitute anyway. So I got me a little 7-ounce can. Pour that in a small can of tomato sauce. And this one I'm using is a hot tomato sauce. I got to find it. Banging. I also want to add a couple tablespoons of flour. Get a couple tablespoons of flour going. Alright, let me get this all incorporated up. Next, I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you want to say it. Get that all incorporated up. Right. Next, I got about 2 cups of beef broth. Let me get that in there. Oh yeah, y'all, this is smelling so good. And we're basically going to let this roll and get it to a simmer so it starts to turn down into a gravy, alright? Okay, and if it seems like you got too much, if it's too watery, you could either lessen the cups of water or just cook a little bit longer. About a couple cups should be good. I'm going to let this rock out for about a half hour. Alright, get it to a simmer, cover it up. And now at this time, now you want to go ahead and start your potatoes. And it should take about 15 minutes for them to get fork tender so we can do our mash. Oh, and you know what, y'all? I almost forgot. I don't know why I am bugging. That's because I'm so hungry and smell so good and trying to get it done fast. You gotta add the seasonings too, man. Okay? So, got me some kosher smoked sea salt here. Oh yeah, y'all. I've been using the smoked salts lately. Alright. Add about a teaspoon. I'm also going to add some cracked black pepper, which is going to give a really boost the flavor. Yes, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Next, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. I got my bouquet garni, which is basically mixed herbs, parsley, thyme. Just basically mixed herbs that you could use for stews, soups, and so forth and so forth. You see, I keep a whole bunch of it on hand. And this is optional. I'm adding some pepper flakes. However much you like, depending on how much spicy you like it. I'm getting just a little bit of touch, not heavy. Alright, get these seasonings mixed in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let that flow. Here we go, y'all. We are done. Got a nice gravy going on. Got our meat flowing. Mash is done. We done did that. Now let's get this thing plated on up, man. So we can get this thing popping, y'all. Let's do. Here we go, y'all. Plate it on up. That's what I'm talking about. See, added some broccoli to a little bit more veggies to fill it on out. But we got our like reverse shepherd's pie, street style, freestyle cooking with streets. All right, garnished it with a little slaw because I go crazy with the slaw garnish. All right, so please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with my latest videos, man. Try this out, budget friendly, easy money. Y'all know what it is, man. Comment, let me know what's good. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Holla.